Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, we'll explain how to create your own clothing store on Shopify. Whether you're selling casual wear or high-end fashion, we'll guide you step by step to get your store up and running. Let's get started. First, visit Shopify's website and click on Start Free Trial. Enter your email, create a password, and provide your store name. Once signed up, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can explore the platform. You can choose a plan when you're ready. Next, choose a theme for your store. In the left-hand menu, click Online Store and then Themes. In the Free Themes section, click Explore Free Themes. Browse the options and select one you like. Then, click Add to Theme Library and click Customize. Here, you can upload your logo, adjust colors, and rearrange elements to fit your brand. Now, let's add products. In the left menu, click Products and then Add Product. Enter the product name, description, and price. Under Media, click Add Files to upload images. Then, scroll down to Inventory to add SKU numbers and manage stock. For each item, click Product Type to categorize it and add collections, like t-shirts or dresses. After adding products, set up payment options. Click Settings and then Payments. Shopify Payments is the default, but you can choose PayPal or other methods. Click Activate next to your preferred option and follow the prompts. For Shopify Payments, enter your business details and bank info. Don't forget to test the payment gateway to ensure everything works. Next, set up shipping. Click Settings and then Shipping and Delivery. In the Shipping section, click Manage Rates. Create shipping zones for the countries or regions you'll ship to, and set up rates by weight or price. You can also offer free shipping or set flat rates. Click Done when you're finished. Now, create legal pages. Click Settings and then Legal. Shopify will generate template pages for privacy policy, terms of service, and return policy. Customize these to suit your store. When done, click Save. Before launching, preview your store. Click Online Store and view your store. Ensure everything looks good and functions well. Once satisfied, click Remove Password to make your store public. You can now start promoting it via social media, email campaigns, or ads. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.